xDesign is perfect if you are looking for a powerful CAD package with no installation and minimal setup, that has document management included, which is available on any device. xDesign is definitely something you should take a look at. Today I will give you 5 things that I like about sketching in xDesign. Watch this. When you design something in xDesign, sketching is a very common thing to do, and it's something that most users will be coming back to many times when they are working with xDesign. Number 5, you can click to measure something in a sketch. No need to first click the dimension tool and then click whatever you want to dimension. Dimensioning is available at your fingertips. SOLIDWORKS design has actually gotten the same way of dimensioning in the sketch now, and in there you have to turn it on because it's not a default setting, but in xDesign it's a default setting. This is above all a big time saver, as dimensioning is important for fully defining your sketches and for any downstream use like manufacturing. We will jump up the list to number 4, and this one is a little more subtle. When adding a dimension or a relation that would otherwise overdefine your sketch, the dimension will automatically jump to driven, and you can continue working. I like this because when creating a new sketch of anything, it can be hard to predict what dimension or relation that will overdefine your sketch. So in xDesign, you stay in the flow and you are not forced to take a decision on what to do with the dimension. Driven or driving? I don't know yet. Let's continue designing and come back to it later. It makes you feel that you are in control of your design in a totally different way. Up to number 3, you can measure to the outside or the inside of a circle when you have placed the dimension. No need to specify peripheral or centric measurement with a modifier key before dimension placement. As you can see, we dimension to either the center or the edge of the circle, and then the program asks me to specify. If I do want to pre-specify peripheral measurement, I can do that with using Shift as the modifier. Plain and simple. Number 2, you can measure to the axis of the coordinate system in several ways. Easily reference the X, Y or Z direction when adding measurements or relations. And number 1, you can create or edit the sketch after you select the feature. When I'm thinking I would like to add an extrude, I can just click an extrude, even if there is no sketch created first. I can add the sketch in the feature properties, or edit an existing sketch prior to using it in the feature. Once again, a great little function that lets you choose. Create the sketch first or afterwards. Here the program adapts to you. So these are my top 5 things in sketching with xDesign, and yours might be different. Do you have any techniques or tricks that should be included on this list? Let me hear it in the comments. That's it for now. I'll go finish my stuff in xDesign and I'll see you next time.